Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, I will teach you about JavaScript outputs. So the first thing here, what is the definitions? What is output? So this is your answer. Output just means how JavaScript show result like numbers, text or messages to you. Okay. So basically how JavaScript show the result to you like number, text and messages. And here we have a five main way to display the result to the user. So first it is here like with the help of inner HTML. So inside an HTML element. So let first we will work on this. So inside an HTML element. Okay. So this is like inner HTML. So inside an HTML element. So here we have the example. Let me write it here like inside p tag. It is just empty content. Here IDs. Here we will write demo. Then inside it, a script tag, HTML, a script tag here. Then inside it here, let me comment. Okay. Inside it, so inside it here, like document.get element by IDs. Here it is demo dot in here, and it is inner HTML, inner HTML. It is equal to inside string. Here we have our h2 tag. H2 tag. So inside, like right here, hello world. Okay. So here what happened, guys? Here the p tag. This is your p tag. So we will access this element, your p tag element, with the help of this id attribute here. It is a function here, get element by IDs. So document.get element by ID. Here it is demo attributes. So here we have the ID values. Then inside p tag here, basically inside p tag means here in place of p tag we have to add the another HTML tag h2 hello world. So okay, you can easily verify. Let me copy this. Then we have to open your HTML files. Let me here already we have file HTML. So inside it, let me comment now these things. Remove this comment. Now here at the bottom, this is your code. Remove this your p tag. Good. So here you see like by default it is just empty. Here we have no any content, but here we have written the logics inside p tag here, because here we will find that element with the help of id values, here attribute values demo. So inside it here, basically inside p tag we will put here h2 hello world. So let me check it here. Also we will verify in the console tab. So let me here you have to execute this files, and it is very simple. Here you have to write the command start a new file name file.html. So here write start file.html, and you see hello world. Okay, so let me just open your dev tool, and you will find it here. This is here inside it p tag. Not this one, basically at the bottom, I think. This is, you see it here, you have your p tag. So inside it now you see your h2 tag here. Inside it here we have our h2 tag, means this data here inner HTML dot inner HTML. You see by default it is just empty content. Here we have no anything, but with the help of this scripts, we have added the another HTML tag inside p tag. That is h2 hello world. So that's why here in the console you will see this h2 tag we have inside p tag. So let me verify it here. You see it is very simple. Inside p tag now we have the h2 tag. So here if you want to add the HTML content like tag body or heading, then you have to prefer this method innerHTML. Inner HTML method. Here this one innerHTML. So inside an HTML element means here we have our p tag. P tag means HTML element. Then I want to so inside an HTML element. Then at that time we have to use inner HTMLs. Got it? Now let's move to the ahead and other topics. That is solely the text. If you want only show the text, then here we have copy this code and let me paste here inside it this one. So inside it here we know it like here h2 tag. Here we have only text because here inner text. Here we will talking about text. This you see text and here you see it is like HTML. So here we will talk about the text. This is here you see this is text. Okay, and just inside a string we have the text, but here it is HTML. Okay, inner HTML. So that's why here we will talk about HTML tag. So that's why here we have here HTML tag like h2 here. Then inside you have to put your text. Got it? So let me also we will understand this example. Just copy it in this code. Then okay, basically you see by default here what we have basically p tag then inside it h2 tag. But here I want to just text like hello world. So that's why here inside file HTML. Let me paste in that code and then we will comment here. So that is fine. Then remove your comment. Let me remove this. Okay, form to document. So this one inside it. Now at this time, let me refresh and then you see your we have this p tag and inside it you text hello world. And here you will not see this h2 tag because here we will use the inner text, not the inner HTML. So let me refresh and you see here at the bottom you see just see what we have here. Only p tag inside it. Here you have a text hello world. Got it? So here what happened? Okay, the p will show the hello world only, and when we will use in this one inner text when you want to add only the text, not in the HTML tag. Got it? And then okay, guys, it is text. Here you have to change it to text. Okay, that is fine. Then okay. Next thing here you have to also update. Then let me go to the next thing. Next example here, document.write. Here show the directly on the page. So basically this write text in the page itself. And let me just simple example. Here is script. This is we will use in the script tag. Then inside it, here's document dot write, and let me edit here 5 plus 6. Then you will see your updated values. Basically, you okay. So directly on the page, let me copy this, then comment. Let me go inside HTML files. Here we have. Let me comment on this also. Then here at the bottom, paste. Now you see here value is 11 in the page. Let me refresh it here. Okay, and one thing here, you see here the result like 11, but if you use document data right after the page is loaded, it will erase everything on the page. Like here we have all these things, like start file image TMS, and then it will be remove this code also. Let me refresh, and you see when you refresh your page, then you will see the output. Like page will show the result like 11s, and be careful if you use document data right after the page is loaded, it will erase everything on the page. So you see here we are output, and it will be erase here. It will erase everything on the page whatever you have did. Then next thing here. Okay, so let me try it here. When you click basically on the button, then disappear and show only 11. So guys, let me check it here. It is here we have another example. Just you will understand. Okay, guys. So let me comment, and then here we will use button inside it. Write text, right? Then inside it, on click. It is not capitals. On click event, then inside it, document.write. Inside it, like right here 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. Okay, so let me check it here. Let me refresh, and you say like here we will start file. Let me click it right, and you say it is everything here. Okay, so now here after the page is loaded, it will erase everything on the page loaded. Okay, here when you click on the button, you know that okay everything it is disappear and so only the elements. So you have to use only for the testing, not in the real project. Okay, okay. In the you can use only development mode, not in the productions. Okay. Now let me move ahead. We'll comment this code also. Then next topic here alert pop message box. So here okay alert pop-up message box. This show a small pop alert box in the browser. So here at script this is here. Let me remove this. Then we will copy this code, paste it. Now in place of document.write, we have alert. This is alert here. Then inside it here 5 plus 6. So let me check it. Let me remove. Okay. No need to remove the comment. Copy this code. Go inside it, file HTML, and then inside paste in it code. Okay, let me go to the back. Let me remove your comment manually. Then you'll see the alert. Whenever you just refresh your page, then you see your messages like you see the 11. Okay, got it? Because of here alert, it is just pop-up message box. Okay, in the pop-up you will see the 11. So you have to use when you want to show the quick info or check if something work like this. Okay, and one thing whenever you make like whenever you try to delete a particular document, then at that time you can use the alert here alert messages, because sometimes user by mistake delete particular documents. Okay, so that's why here, so that's why on that place you can use the alert. Okay, so let me move to the next topics. This is here we have console.log. So in the browser consoles, here it is just very simple. So in the browser console, okay, this does not show on the page. It show inside the developer console. Like here, it is a very simple. Just inside the script you have to write the console. Copy this, paste it. Now here in place of alert, here you have to write console.log. dot log and then like 5 plus 6. Okay, so let me comment. Okay, let me copy this code. So here basically this result like 5 plus 6 you will see here in the browser console. So okay, don't worry about it. Like what is browser console? So I will explain it. It is a simple thing. So let me here you to comment our previous code, then comment here, then next paste that code here. Okay, let me comment out. Then here, so here what is the meaning of browser console? Let me open this and you see here. Okay, guys, let me copy this path. Then we will check in the Chrome. So okay, now you see here, demo JavaScript in the head. So here you have to just click your. So here you have to just click your keyboard. Like you will find F12 button. F12. Then you see your console tab. Here I am talking about. This is your browser console. Okay, this is your browser console, and you see your output. That is the 11. Basically whatever you have to put inside it here you got your result. Let me we will write another console. So law, and then you write the result. Now again you see here, just refresh, then you see your result and 11. Got it? This result you got it because of this console.log here. This is console.log. So whatever you put inside it, then you will see it in the browser console. Browser console means here you have to just click F12 button on your keyboard, and then you will see it is open your console here. Okay, this is your browser console, and we have another method to open this browser console. Just click right button on your mouse, and then inspect it, and here you have to get your console. Okay, browser console. Got it? So here we have successfully explained all the 5 method of rendering your outputs.